Okay, well, thank you. And we're right at the end of our panel, but I just wanted to ask Chung-Li whether many of these provocative thoughts are something you could sort of follow up on and give us a kind of a closing thought for this panel.
Sure. Actually, I want to get myself right. I talk about a lot of negative things, but actually I'm optimistic about China's future. I think in short term, in the next coming months until probably 2014 or 2015, China will enter a difficult period because of this transition. But I think that I hope that I have a message through Yu Keping to China's senior leaders. We talk about the fear and the hope. I think they should be more hopeful rather than too fearful, because certain kind of crisis may not necessarily be bad if we can avoid the revolution. Because crisis give us incentive for change. Crisis may help us to reach new consensus which China needs. And for people in the United States, particularly our policymakers, I have one line for them. Don't fear China's success, fear China's failure.
Well, on that note, I think that was a fascinating panel. I want to thank Yu Keping and Chung-Li and Wang Dazhong and Clarence Kwan for joining us, and thank you.
I hope it's okay.